Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Riot client. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner. You want to click onto your search icon and click onto remove underneath best match. You want to open up ads or remove programs to the app here. Now generally this is where we come to and install any apps on your PC. So normally if you come to the search box here and go ahead and type Riot, you see we've got a client here. You just want to click on here and click onto uninstall. Now I know there's a bit of an issue with the Riot client where sometimes this doesn't always appear, or maybe you've done this but you've still got instances of the Riot client, so it's not actually fully uninstalled from your system. So there's a few more steps you're going to need to take, so just follow along with me and I'll show you what to do first. What you're going to want to do is come back to your desktop, and the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the search box and go ahead and type Riot client into the search box underneath best match. You're going to see the Riot client app. All you want to do is right click onto this and click onto open file location, and then from here what you're going to want to do is just come back app in folder. So if you come up here, we're going to see this little array. What you want to do is click onto this and that's going to take you back up, and you can see we've got the Riot games folder here. So what you want to do is make sure you've got this highlighted by clicking onto it and then press the delete button on your keyboard. So once you've gone ahead and deleted that folder, what you next want to do is come back to your desktop and open up an app called Run. To do this, you can either hold the Windows key and press R on your keyboard, or you can again come back to the search box and type Run into the search box. So I'm just going to go ahead and open the app. You can see here underneath best match and in the box down here, all you want to do is go ahead and type app data. Once I've done, click OK, and that's going to open up a folder like this. Now from here what you're going to want to do is click onto your local folder. So this one here, double click, and then you want to find the Riot games folder here. So you can click onto any folder, press R to be taken to your R named folders. You can see we've got a break-ins folder here, and again all you want to do is delete this from your system, so press delete on your keyboard. If it does come out with a message like this in these folders in used, that's probably because you've got the Riot games client running. So to get rid of this, come down to the bottom right hand corner, and what you want to do is click onto this arrow down here where it says shoot hidden icons. You're going to see the Riot client in here, so what you want to do is right click and click onto exit, and now you should be able to go ahead and successfully delete this folder. So you can see that's now done. So we're almost done. There's just another thing we got to do. So if you come back to our desktop, you can see we got this shortcut here, this Riot client. What you want to do is right click onto this, click onto open file location, and then again what you want to do is delete this folder. So you want to come back up a folder again by clicking this arrow up here, and then click it once again, and you're going to see who got the Riot games folder here as well. So you just want to go ahead, delete that folder, and once that's done, the final thing is you can just go ahead and delete the desktop shortcut here. So just delete that from your desktop. Now if you come down to the bottom left hand corner, click onto the search box, you'll see if you now go ahead and type Riot, nothing is coming up. So all instances related to the Riot client has now been successfully uninstalled from your system. Make sure you do go ahead and empty your cycle bin as well, just to fully delete this from your system. And that's how to go ahead and uninstall the Riot client from your PC. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.